Hello students, in this session we will discuss about introduction to multimedia. So in this session we will discuss introduction to multimedia, elements of multimedia, uses of multimedia, importance of multimedia, category of multimedia, scope of multimedia, advantage of multimedia and disadvantages of multimedia. So what is multimedia? Multi stand for many or more than one plus medium of communication. So what is multimedia? Derived from the word of multi and media. Multi means many, multiple, media means distributions tool and information presentation, text, graphics, video, image, music and etc. So multimedia is combinations of text, sound, graphics, video and animation delivered by computer or any other electronic media images you can see. So multimedia included text, audio, animations, video and graphic. Text included alphanumeric characters, graphics included drawing and images, audio, sounds, video graphic, real life events, animations, moving images. So uses of area multimedia use in business. Business application for multimedia include presentation, training, advertisement, video, conferencing and etc. For example, salesperson can learn and provide poster with the help of multimedia images, for example. Next one is multimedia used in education. So multimedia is better form of teaching schools and colleges. Multimedia presentation are a great way to introduce new concept or explain a new technology. For example, electronic games which play various poem for bits, smart classes and example. Multimedia used at home for gardening, cooking, home design, remodeling and repair to software. Multimedia has entered the home. There are so many examples that multimedia use at home. Multimedia use in public place, in hotels, train stations, shopping malls, museum, library and grocery stores. Multimedia is already available at stand-alone terminals, providing information and help for customer in interactive manner, and also the reduce the personal work or manual work for the 24/7. Like a hotel may provide following information like a city map, schedule of airline service available in hotels. So why importance of multimedia? There are number of fields where multimedia could be used. First of all, business, education, entertainment, home and public place. So importance of multimedia in business. Business in use sales, marketing, trade show production, staff training applications and company. Multimedia is very powerful tool for enhancing the quality of business communication. The business communication such as employee related communication, product promotions, customer information and report for investment can be present in multimedia form. Next one, कि why important of multimedia in entertainment? Games में movies, videos on demand and online. Entertainment industry has used this technology the most to create real life games. Several developers have used graphic, sound, animation of multimedia to create variety of games. Next one is importance of multimedia in education, coursework, e-learning, distance learning, information searching. The ability of multimedia components to convey by pictures, sounds, animations or movie what is otherwise hard to express the most common now. Next one is importance of multimedia in homes. Uses and application IPTV, satellite TV and games. Public place information kiosk, smart cards, and security. Next one is elements of multimedia. Multimedia elements, all the objects to create any type of multimedia project. For better project elements should be arranged text, image, sound, animation, and video. Text stands for alphanumeric characters. All multimedia contains some amount of text. The text can have different fonts and size to suit the presentation. The text in multimedia can be performed in different format: general text, hypertext, PDF. So text examples are images. Also assume that a subject is better explained to human when represented in graphics form. There are several technologies and sources available to produce image graphics for multimedia project. Images can be created by using paint program by scanning photograph example. It is the important and interesting components of multimedia is the image. It is one of basic facts in multimedia is that people do not like reading large amounts of text information, so graphics are used to make better presentation. Sound is most element of multimedia. It is meaningful speech in any language. It can make the difference between an ordinary multimedia presentation and professional multimedia presentation. Sound is form of energy that propagate as a wave. It is categorized by frequency, wavelength, amplitude, and speech. Next one is animation. Animation or moving image. Animation makes static presentation come alive. It is visual change over time and can add great power to your multimedia project and web pages. Many multimedia applications for both Macintosh and Windows provide animation tool. This makes it possible for a series of images that are changed very slightly and very rapidly, one after the other, to seem blend together into visual illusion of movement. Illusions show a few cells or frames of rotating logo. When the images are progressively and rapidly changed, the arrow of compass is precise to be spinning. Video. It is technology of capturing, recording, processing, transmitting, and reconstructing moving pictures. Video is more towards photorealistic image sequence, live recording, as in comparison to animation. Video also take a lot of storage space. Next one is interactive multimedia. When the user is given the option of controlling the elements, a combination of hypertext, graphics, audio, video, link element, and interactively in a complete non-linear computer-based experience. Like example, when the user is given the option of controlling the elements. Next one is hypermedia, a combination of hypertext, graphics, audio, video, and interactively culminating in complete non-linear computer-based experience. Next one, categorized of multimedia. So linear multimedia and non-linear multimedia. Linear active content progress without any navigational control for the viewer. Non-linear content offer user interactively to control progress as used with a computer games. Cinema presentation is an example of linear multimedia. Hypermedia is an example of non-linear multimedia. So linear versus non-linear multimedia project is identified as linear when it is not interactive. User have no control over the content that is being showed to them. A movie, a non-interactive lecture and demo show. So what is scope of multimedia? The technology of multimedia design utilize various features like animation, video, graphics, audio and sound to impress the user. Multimedia technology is used for 3D cinema applications and mobile 3D TV environment. Animation is also being used in titling films, creating special effect or in web entertainment program. The scope of animation is huge in context to market. In the field of education, multimedia is being used extensively, especially for online course and training. Multimedia is also used in advertisement purpose. So, what is advantage of multimedia? First one is enhancement of message containing only text. Multimedia enhance the effect of text presentation, same improve the quality of presentation and retains the attention of audience. It can be used for educational as well as entertainment purpose. It is quick and easier to operate the instructor. Multimedia presentation can be modified very easily. Multimedia is entertaining as well as educational. Good for computer probics. Disadvantages: non-interactive if one way, no feedback, complex to create, time consuming, use of multimedia is expensive. Thank you students, have a very nice day.